Hey guys, it's Mrs. MacPhail. Today we're talking about area and perimeter of parallelograms. So let's get started. First things first, we remember that the formula for the area, or the space inside, is just like a rectangle. We can say area, or A, is equal to base times height. And I want to show you something really cool. Why does this work? Well, if I have a basic parallelogram, which means I have two pairs of parallel sides, this side is parallel to that side, and this side is parallel to that side. This works because, remember, when we find the area of a parallelogram, we need that right angle in there. And since parallelograms typically don't have it, at least the traditional shape, we actually have to make it. And so we grab one of the corners and we draw a line segment straight down to the base to make a right angle. All right? Now what do you notice about this little shape over here? It's a little triangle we kind of made, right? So if we actually chop off that triangle, like if we took a scissors and put it over here, what shape do we have? Technically we have a rectangle. All right, so that's why we can use the formula area is equal to base times height. So just a little fun fact for you to start off with this video. Let's try a couple of examples. Let's say that we have a parallelogram and this is 10 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. What would be the area and what would be the perimeter? So with area, remember what we need to do is we need to find a right angle. You always need a right angle to work with because that's going to be your height. So you can grab this one right here, this vertex, and draw a little dashed line straight down. I always make the right angle sign to help me remember. And this is going to be my height. And let's say I give you the height that this is 4 centimeters, okay? I would give you this, you wouldn't have to know it. So that's our height, and this bottom we're going to call our base. So for now we're going to say the bottom is the base. The B's can help you remember that. And then this looks like the letter H, the height with the little right angle, looks like the little letter H. So our area is going to be the base times the height. And I like to rewrite everything. So our base is 10 centimeters times our height of 4 centimeters. So we know that our area is going to be equal to 40 centimeters squared because it's area. And whenever you take centimeters times centimeters, you're going to get centimeters squared. So the area of this parallelogram is 40 centimeters squared. How about the perimeter? Perimeter, we add up all of the sides. Now I want to make something clear to you. We're not adding the height. The height does not count as part of the perimeter because the perimeter is the outside that we want to add up. Do not add the height. We also know that with parallelograms, the opposite side, just like rectangle, is equal. So the left side is also 5 centimeters and the top is 10 centimeters. It is the same length as the opposite side. So let's add it up. 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25, plus 5 is 30 centimeters. Notice I did not add the height. It is not part of the outside shape. Let's try another one. We're still going to stick with parallelograms. All right, here's our next one. Sometimes you might see situations like this, where you have the height drawn on the outside, okay? Don't let that trick you. This is not part of the perimeter over here. The actual perimeter is your actual parallelogram. So let's go ahead and find the area for this one. We know that area is equal to base times height. And remember, the bottom is the base. And sometimes you also might see some numbers over here. This is not part of the base. The base is only the part of the parallelogram that we're talking about. You might see this out here because they're drawing out the line segments to find the right angle. This is not included in the base measurement of our parallelogram. Do not add it in. So if you see any numbers out here, ignore it. The bottom here is 15 though, so I like to rewrite everything, and I'm going to write 15 feet. And we also know that the height is 7 feet. They give that to us. Here's our little H looking right angle with a straight line, or a straight line segment. So this time our area is going to be 15 feet times 7 feet. So I'm going to do some multiplication off to the side. 5 times 7 is 35. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 3. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So my area is going to be 105 feet square. Remember, area is in square. Feet times feet is square. Let's take a look at perimeter. Perimeter, remember, is the distance around the outside. We are not including the height. We're not including this little extension right here because that's not part of the actual parallelogram. If you were to actually count that, that would no longer be a parallelogram. It would be more like a trapezoid, and we're not looking for a trapezoid. So our perimeter, we have 8, which means that this side is also going to be 8 feet, and the opposite of the bottom is the top, and that's going to be 15 feet. So let's add those 4 sides together. 15 feet plus 15 feet plus 8 feet plus 8 feet. 15 and 15 is 30, plus 8 is 38, plus 8, 38 plus 8 would be 46. So our perimeter is 46 feet. Hopefully that helps with parallelograms. Mr. Nutty and I enjoyed helping you today, and we'll see you later.